We are the nation's leading supplier in replacement bumpers, fenders, and tailgates online. If you're looking for a bumper, fender, or tailgate, you can rest assured that you can find it here at MBI Auto. We offer unpainted parts for your car or truck so that you can take them to your local body shop and have them painted. Or we also offer a painted parts solution. We'll paint the part to match your vehicle. We have a state-of-the-art painting process which ensures consistent quality at an excellent price.
Customer service is our main priority. We want happy and satisfied customers.
We do have our own website. We've gone through and we know what we need to ask you so that you get the right part delivered to your doorstep.
We're not just an online company. Well, we have real human beings. We have our customer service here in the U.S. We stand behind our products 100%. Customer satisfaction has and always will be our #1 goal.
We hope to do business with you soon, and we'll be happy to answer any questions throughout the purchasing process.